Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Divya. I'm back with another video, and today's video is all about how to build your personal brand, how to grow your personal brand, and how you can take advantages in your career, in your life, in your business just by building your personal brand. So without further ado, let's get started. This video is actually going to be useful for everyone, because whether you believe it or not, but people actually judge you based on your online presence, based on what they see online about you, because personal brand is something like your online persona. For example, if you are a student or a working professional and looking for some new opportunity or looking for job change, then there is a high chance your employer will be googling about you and will judge you based on what they find about you. And also, if you are an entrepreneur and looking for some new clients, then also there is a high chances your client will be googling about you and will judge you based on what they see online about you. So in today's digital age, when everything is happening online, when everything is like all the businesses are going online, so building your personal brand is really important for everyone, because this can actually open up many doors for you. It can help you to grow in your career and to grab more opportunity, also to grab more leads for your business. So yeah, this video is going to helpful for everyone, and I'm actually going to talk about a step-by-step process which can help you to build your personal brand. Make sure you watch the whole video till the end, because you never know which idea and thought may resonate with you. Before moving forward, I actually want you to tell more benefits of building your personal brand, because it actually motivates you to build your personal brand. So the first thing which is really important, number one, it actually helps you to position yourself as a thought leader, as an expert in your industry. And the second one is it actually help you to generate more income for yourself and to create more money. And the third one, it actually help you to increase your network and give you more opportunity to connect with the like-minded people like CEOs of the company, influencers. So it actually help you to build your network. And the last one is it help you to get your dream job. Now come to the main point. Before building your personal brand, you actually need to understand step 1. Why you need to build your personal brand? What is the main purpose behind to build your personal brand? Because this is the main thing which you really need to understand. For example, if you are a graphic designer or a social media marketer, then you just need to understand why you want to build your personal brand. For example, if you want to get your dream job or want to grab more opportunity as a freelance work, or want to set up your social media agency. So firstly, you really need to understand why you need your personal brand and why you want to build your personal brand. And after that, all the steps which you have to follow. But before that, you really need to understand step 1. Number 2, you have to decide 1 or 3 area of your expertise. Like there will be something, your hobby, your passion. ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो आपको करना अच्छा लगता है, एंड ऐसा कौन सा काम है जिसको करने में आप इतना बिजी हो जाते हैं कि बाकी सारी चीज़ें भूल जाते हैं. सो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दोज थिंग्स फर्स्ट एंड जस्ट राइट डाउन. कुछ भी आपके 3 एरिया हो सकते हैं, एंड लाइक इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. यू लाइक कुकिंग और सिंगिंग, playing guitar, or you love writing, or you love public speaking, or also it like if you are a lawyer and a CA, and it can be anything first. So in step 2, you just have to decide what is your area of interest and just write down in a paper. नंबर 3, डिसाइड अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेटफॉर्म। एंड ये डिपेंड करेगा कि आपकी हॉबी क्या है, आपका पैशन क्या है, एंड आपका जो एरिया ऑफ एक्सपर्टीज़ क्या है। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप राइटिंग में अच्छे हैं, देन ऑफ कोर्स यू नीड टू create a blog, or if you are very good in public speaking or you love to talk and interact with the people, then you can go for YouTube channel as well. And आपका आपको अगर इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग पसंद है या फिर कुछ और भी समथिंग लाइक दैट विच इज़ रिलेटेड टू विजुअल पार्ट, then you can go for Instagram. So first you just need to decide a particular platform, right? And it actually will depend on your hobby and your passion. Now the next step which you have to do, you have to use your name in all the platforms. For example अगर आप राइटिंग में अच्छे हैं एंड आपने एक ब्लॉग बनाया हुआ है, बट स्टिल you just need to create your social media profiles as well, like Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn as well. So you have to do like आपका जो नाम है ना, आपका ब्लॉग भी उसी नाम से होना चाहिए। एंड आपकी जो सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स है ना, आप जस्ट ट्राई कि वो सेम नेम ना आप हर जगह यूज़ कर रहे हो, बिकॉज जब लोग पर्टिकुलर आपके बारे में सर्च करेंगे ना, तो आपके जब आपके नाम से सारे प्रोफाइल्स होते हैं ना, तो उनको पहचानने में ज़्यादा आसान रहता है, राइट? सो मेक श्योर कि आप अपना नाम हर जगह यूज़ करने वाले हैं। सेम प्रोफाइल पिक्चर आपकी हर सोशल मीडिया प्रोफाइल पे रहनी चाहिए। एंड just decide a particular headline or particular like bio for all the social media channels as well. like LinkedIn पे आपको क्या अपने बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन डालना है, सेम आपका फेसबुक पे होना चाहिए, सेम आपका इंस्टाग्राम पे होना चाहिए, एंड सेम आपका जो ब्लॉग का अबाउट सेक्शन होगा उस पर होना चाहिए, एंड यूट्यूब पे भी आपका सेम होना चाहिए। सो बेसिक फंडा इज़ दैट कि जो भी आप नाम यूज़ कर रहे हो वो सेम आपका हर चैनल पे होना चाहिए। अगर आपको एग्जैक्ट नेम नहीं मिल रहा है तो आप उसके वेरिएशन में कुछ भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, बट द थिंग इज़ दैट कि आपका हर जगह ना वो सेम आपकी प्रोफाइल पिक्चर, नेम, डिस्क्रिप्शन, हर चीज़ ना सेम होनी चाहिए, सो दैट पीपल कैन रिकॉग्नाइज यू वेरी वेल। एंड द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज़ create content and be consistent, and this is the like really important step which you really need to follow. And don't just create content and post it, you actually need to create some value, because लोग आपके वीडियो तभी देखेंगे या फिर आपके ब्लॉग्स तभी पढ़ेंगे जब उनको आपका कंटेंट रेलेवेंट लगेगा, जब उनकी लाइफ में आपके ब्लॉग्स पढ़ने की वजह से कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट्स आएंगे, कुछ चेंजेस आएंगे। एंड अगर आपके वीडियो देख के उनकी लाइफ में कुछ चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट आ रहे हैं, देन योर कंटेंट इज़ एक्चुअली रेलेवेंट। एंड अगर लोगों को आपके वीडियो या कंटेंट से कुछ ऐसा नहीं मिल रहा है जो उनके लिए यूज़फुल नहीं है, उनकी लाइफ में कुछ चेंजेस नहीं आ रहे हैं, देन ट्रस्ट मी, you will not be able to create your audience. So first very important thing, like you really need to understand content is all about creating some value. And the next step is be unique, don't copy others, be it real, very real. And when you are unique and real, your brand will also be very unique and real. And people actually love original copies, they don't love pirated ones, right? So you just need to create some awesome content and just put out some awesome content, unique content, and people actually love it. And it will take some time, but you will succeed for sure. Just focus on yourself, be yourself, don't copy others, don't try to imitate anyone else's who have already more successful in any other profile. You just need to be yourself and put some awesome and original content. So yeah, that's all for today. I have shared about my knowledge, and I hope you liked all these points. If you have something in your mind, then you can also leave comment in the comment section. I would love to read all your comments and will reply for sure. And also I would like to add one more thing for sure. Creating your personal brand is not an easy game. It actually takes a lot of efforts, time, work hard, and it's not a short term game. It actually a long term process, and you actually need a lot of patience as well. But if you apply all these points in a very particular way and practice all these things, then for sure you will succeed in the future. So if you like my video, then don't forget to hit a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon button so that whenever I upload a new video you can get a notification. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and also wish you a very happy new year in advance. Take care. Bye bye.